how to fix sorry you have been blocked error for any website. Let's jump into Google Chrome. Go ahead and open it up. Once you're in, sign into your Chrome account if you're not already. Look for those three little dots up in the corner. Give them a click. Look for extensions and click on that. You'll see an option that says Manage Extensions. Click on that one. Take a look at all your extensions. Make sure they're all up to date and relevant to what you need. If you spot any extensions causing trouble, just remove them right from this menu. Alright, let's clear out some browsing data now. Click on those three dots again and find Settings. Now, scroll down to Privacy and Security and click on it. You'll see an option for Clear Browsing Data. Give that a click. Make sure All Time is selected from the drop-down menu. Check all the boxes there to clear out all the junk. Finally, click on Clear Data and let Chrome do its thing. Don't forget to check if your Chrome browser itself is up to date. Go to About Chrome to do that. Make sure you're running on the latest version available. And there you have it. Those are the steps you need to take to fix the sorry you have been blocked error for any website. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.